So now that I have dethatched and aerated the lawn, everything's wide open now, and it's a great time to get fertilizer and other nutrients and other material down into the lawn, because it's going to get right where it needs to be, which is in the soil. So today I'm going to take care of both the grass and the soil, which is important. And I want to show you a product and talk more about a product that you've seen me use time and time again every year, and another product that I'm going to be using to light this thing up deep dark green this fall. Here we go. So in addition to my fertilizer application today, I'm going to be applying this soil conditioner from Live Earth. And this is a product that not only can I get it locally, but it's produced locally. This is another product of Utah that I'm excited to share with you. And this is a humate. So if you've seen me apply humate before in previous videos, this is exactly what I've been applying, and I'm excited to apply it again today. This is an application that I make twice a year. I do it in the spring and the fall, and I love doing this because for the past almost 10 years as I've been applying this and other products to the lawn, I've noticed that my soil conditions and the response of the grass has been much better, and I attribute that to products like this one. So what makes this product so great, and why do I like applying it every year, twice a year, like clockwork? Well, let me tell you 2 reasons why. Number 1, it is organic material. It's a carbon source, and because it's a carbon source, plants love carbon. Carbon helps to break down materials and increase microbial activity in the soil to help break down nutrients so that they can be readily available for the lawn and other plants as well. You could use this on trees and shrubs and other plants, however you like. The second thing I like about this is it has iron in it, and if you don't already know, iron plays a major role in a deeper, darker green color on your lawn. So that's something that I always expect and look forward to when I apply this. And I'm also going to be applying another product here, which I'll show you, that's going to help deliver a deep, dark green color response. So this is another product from Live Earth. This is called Iron 10, and it's Iron 10 because it's 10% iron. Yes, 10% iron. That's huge. That's going to give us a really nice color response. And the best part about this too is that it is a fertilizer product. It's a 500, so there is nitrogen in here, but it's not going to really push growth. So if you want to really darken up your lawn, you're just thinking to yourself, hey, I wish the lawn was darker, but I don't want to really push it with nitrogen. I don't want to be mowing 4 times a week. I want to just have a nice green color response. I want to darken it up. This is what you want right here. This is going to do it, and it's going to do it really nicely. This also has humic acid in it. So we've got more humic acid going down in addition to the soil conditioner product today. So we're going to have happy grass here. So if you're interested in more information about these products and the company in general and other products that they offer, I'll leave links down in the description area below. You can check that out. I like supporting small businesses. This is a local small business, which I'm even more keen to support. So give them a look, check them out. If you're not in the Intermountain West region, Idaho, Utah, I think parts of Colorado even, if you don't have an IFA store, you can check them out on Amazon. You can get the soil conditioner on Amazon. Try that out. For those of you that live in my area here, IFA carries this stuff. It's great. And anybody that I talk to or do lawn consultations for, I recommend at least the soil conditioner twice a year in their programs. So there we go, last big push for the lawn for the 2023 season. Crazy that we're really into fall now. Got a few more things planned here still for the rest of the season. Gonna be making my annual trip out to the Equip Expo in Kentucky. Keep an eye out for that. If you have any questions about the products you've seen here, please leave a comment down in the comments section below and let's talk about it. I've been using the soil conditioner for a long time, and grateful to the people at Live Earth for reaching out and sending me some product to show you today. Was gonna buy it anyway, but they offered and I accepted. So love to show you products that I've been using for a long time, tried and true. Highly recommend, especially if you live in this area here. We have really hard, compacted, nasty clay soil, and that soil conditioner twice a year over time is going to make a big difference. So improve your soil, green up your lawn, soil conditioner and the Iron 10 products. Great 1-2 punch. Excited to see how this looks for Halloween here in a couple weeks. It's gonna be awesome. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you so much and look forward to sharing more with you soon. Thanks again. I'll see you next time.